In this vlog, I will take you through a real day in my life here in Koh Samui, Thailand. How I stay productive, grow a meaningful business, and still make time to feel alive and take care of my health, without burning out even when making over $10,000 per month. But yeah, let's start with my morning routine and I will explain what I'm focusing on at the moment with my work and life. This place, by the way, now when I can afford it, it's so worth it. Like in Koh Samui, it's not that expensive and it's just so nice to always feel inspired and like feeling good. It's definitely worth the money that it costs here, and just waking up to the sunrise every morning, like it's just the best way to start the day. And the morning routine I have at the moment is pretty much like inspired by Andrew Huberman and like all these people, and also my experimentation the past like many years. I really love this kind of things, so I've been trying a lot. So what I do nowadays, I start the day always by being in the sun, like looking at the sun a little bit. To wake up, it really makes a difference. So after I have done that, the next steps are basically to do some morning stretches to get the body not being so stiff, and then I do some breath work. So I'm just gonna do that quickly now. So trying to keep it simple, not too complicated, not too long, not any crazy morning routine, but for me this has been working the best to get me to the right headspace and mood for the day, to be able to focus and work and enjoy life to the fullest while living in the paradise. And then it's time to get to work. And by the way, in this video, everything that I'm doing and talking, it's what I do most of the days that I live here. It's not, I'm not trying to pretend to be something for this video, as many of the day in life and morning routine videos are. This is what I actually do and find helpful along the years to get to the point where I am at the moment. So I hope you get a lot of value out of this. And if you enjoy this kind of videos, please like the video and subscribe to not miss out on the future videos. And now it's also time to get a little breakfast, which is this kind of like protein shake they sell in 7-Elevens and all the supermarkets in Thailand. It's actually quite useful. Like it's a lot of protein, not so many calories. So it's good to start the day with this, because at the moment I'm also focusing a lot on fitness, losing some weight, building some muscle. So yeah, this is part of the routine. But yeah, what I'm doing at the moment, I'm focusing a lot is the school community that I launched a few months ago, because I found that's the most like meaningful thing. I can really help people and bring people together. So I've been really motivated to work on that. And by the way, I used to do intermittent fasting, but I found that it's more important to not eat late in the evening to sleep better and feel better the next morning. So I actually eat a little bit earlier nowadays. But I also notice when I eat breakfast, it's really important for me to start working while eating the breakfast, because that way I get into a good flow of working, and then after eating I might get a bit tired, but when I'm already in the flow of working, I can continue working and not feel the tiredness so much. And yeah, I don't drink coffee every day nowadays, only every now and then, because I'm, I guess, a bit too sensitive for it, so I can't drink all the time or I will lose my sleep and get too anxious. And for the school community, I'm editing some videos for the YouTube business masterclass that I launched a little bit ago. So there's still some videos that I'm creating for that and editing them. So if you're interested in making YouTube your business like I have done, that's really valuable and helpful also inside the community. But yeah, mainly the community is for like all my recommendations and everything basically that I have learned on all the destinations. So if you're traveling, that's super helpful, and also meeting like-minded people on the calls and in the meetups. And the meetups is something that I'm focusing at the moment, because I'm going soon back to Bali, and a lot of the members are in Bali. There already has been some like meetups that the members themselves have organized, but now I'm going to Bali also, so I will definitely, like, there has been a lot of people asking when is the next meetup in Bali, so I will be organizing a couple in May. I already asked the community what are the weeks that would be good, so now I'm just thinking, okay, like I need to organize those 2 meetups that I will be doing in May, in the first week and last week of May, I think. So that's what I'm doing right now. But now, after a little bit of work, it's time for the last part of the morning routine, which is more for the enjoyment of living in the Paradise Island and also to get some steps in. So let's go to the beach. This is why I don't live in a big city, but choose to live on an island. Just so peaceful, it feels so good just do a quick morning walk on the beach. I mean, look at this view. Koh Samui is just so beautiful. And there's like almost no one on the beach. Yeah, I like to do this almost every morning. It just makes such a difference to the routine. Like I just can't work all day long every day. It's not sustainable. But taking breaks like this almost every day, enjoying the nature and the beach and burning some extra calories, it's a bonus. So yeah, I really love this kind of lifestyle. And it only takes like 30 to 60 minutes to add this part of the morning routine. So not much excuse to not do it, especially after this. I can work for hours, no problem, because I feel so good. So yeah, I don't know, like sometimes I watch this kind of videos, I see people saying that they work like 12 hours per day on their computer. I'm just like, I don't know how you do that. Like I definitely couldn't. Maybe I'm just too ADD. I don't know. I just remember reading about the study that basically people can work around 4 hours, like focused work per day. So that's what I'm trying to aim usually, like, yeah, something like that. I can really focus on editing and filming and all that, not much more than that. And by the way, if you are also an online entrepreneur or thinking of starting a remote business, you should definitely check out the sponsor of this video, Osome. Osome helps you set up company in Hong Kong or Singapore completely online, which is perfect if you're like me, building a business while traveling the world. Hong Kong and Singapore are not only perfect because they are super tax friendly, but they also give your business global credibility. Think about low corporate taxes, no capital gains tax, and access to Stripe, PayPal, and international banks. And the best part, Osome handles everything. Company setup, accounting, tax filing, so you can focus on building your business while they handle all the boring admin stuff. Thousands of global entrepreneurs already use and trust Osome, and right now you can get free incorporation and 16% off Osome services, so check it out from the first link in the description. And one nice thing about Asia is also you can order food so easily. No need to worry about doing groceries and cooking and cleaning and all that, so you can really focus on the important things, the business. And yeah, I usually work from home. The Wi-Fi is extremely fast here in Koh Samui, which is very nice. Just so peaceful here. I can really focus. It's comfortable with the AC and like, yeah, quiet place to get really focused work in. So yeah, I'm gonna eat this food, watch some YouTube, and then get to work, like really focus on editing. There's of course like a lot of work because I need to film and edit and plan all this for the YouTube videos, but also filming and planning and editing for the videos for my community and also managing the community, all that. But yeah, basically my income has like doubled since I started really focusing on the digital products and community. So it's definitely like a good way to diversify the income a little bit if you're a creator and really like yeah, do something that is even more meaningful, helping people and making the income more stable because there's more income streams. So yeah, I would say it's definitely worth it. And part of my routine is every day when I can't focus on work anymore, I just feel like I need a break. I usually come to a sauna and ice bath place, or sometimes I also take a nap if I really need it. And luckily here in Koh Samui, they have my favorite ever sauna ice bath place. So yeah, I feel like it's the perfect break from the work. I feel so refreshed always after some sauna for 15 minutes. I usually do, really good for health reasons also. Whew. And then some ice bath. Oh my god, it feels so good. It really is like a cheat code for life. Like you feel so good, like a new person after the ice bath. And then it's time to get to work again with completely fresh feeling. Oh my god. Yeah, I really love to do this almost every single day. I would recommend trying sauna, ice bath, and ending in steam sauna is perfect. This is so nice, got a coconut. After the sauna ice bath, just feels so fresh. And yeah, recently I started doing this thing that I do sauna and ice bath first and then gym right after, because they say you're not supposed to do ice bath right after gym, so I tried it the other way, and actually it's really nice to do like that. But today's rest day from gym, so I'm not gonna go. And yeah, as you might know, I play a lot of paddle also, so I cycle through these days of ice bath and sauna and gym, and sometimes just completely rest day and sometimes paddle. So it's really nice lifestyle like this. I really enjoy it. And then the only right way to end the day is to come to the beach and watch the sunset. Look how beautiful and peaceful it is here. Wow. I do this pretty much every single day. I really need this. And yeah, I have this rule that I don't work after the sunset. I didn't used to do this a few years ago and I got pretty badly burnt out. So that's why I took the rule to work as hard as I want to, take some breaks during the day, but then not after the sunset. It's kind of perfect in Asia. It's usually like 5:30 to 6:30 when the sun is setting. So after that, I just get dinner and then like winding down, getting ready to sleep. Yeah, I think it's so much better to have balance and not hustle too hard, especially if you're doing something creative. It's really not good to burn out and then you can do almost anything for a while. Really, like even taking like small breaks like sunsets and beach breaks and all these amazing things you can do here in Southeast Asia. Of course you should do it. Like it doesn't take that much time. Like no one can actually focus and work and actually build something 24/7 all the time. You need to take time off also. And yeah, that's what has been working really well for me. Like I'm all about balance, but still I've been able to make YouTube my full-time job and make over 10k per month. So yeah, I'm really happy with this because you don't really want to sacrifice your whole life and lifestyle and enjoyment of life and all this to be able to make more money, of course. And yeah, as long as you're consistent and never give up, you will probably get where you want to go and even way more than that. At least that's happened to me. But anyway, I hope you got some value out of this video. I hope to see you inside the school community. Like and subscribe and see you next week.